Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to restore Google Maps timeline. Google Maps timeline is a powerful tool that logs your movements and place visits over time. If you lost your timeline data, it's not showing, or it may be due to disabled location history, account issues, or sync problems. And here's how to restore and view it. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to restore timeline. So let's follow these few simple steps together. First step is to visit Google Maps timeline while logged into your Google account. And to do that, just go to Google Maps timeline and click on it. Here on this website, you're gonna use the calendar on the top left to pick a specific date. For example, I'm just gonna pick a specific date, for example, here. March, like this, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to pick a specific date from this area right here. Now if nothing appears, make sure your location history is enabled, and you can do that by going to Google Activity Control and toggle location history on. Then check if the timeline is linked to the correct Google account, especially if you have more than one. And also wait a few hours if you just re-enable tracking. It may take time to populate. Your Google Maps timeline can be restored as long as location history was turned on and the correct account is used. It's an amazing way to retrace your steps, whether for travel, blogs, memory tracking, or reviewing past activities. You can also use Google Takeout to download all your location history for backup, and if you're concerned about privacy, you can pause or delete history selectively. And timeline is only available when location services and history are turned on consistently. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.